In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Link audio and mic not working. If your game audio isn't coming through, or your friends can't hear you while streaming with Steam Link, the most common cause is that Windows and Steam are pointing to the wrong sound devices. We'll walk through setting the correct playback and recording devices in Windows, then confirming your microphone inside Steam, and finally testing and adjusting levels so everything sounds right. Start on your desktop and open the control panel. The quickest way is to click the search bar, type control panel, and press enter. Once it opens, look for the sound section and click it. If you don't see sound right away, you can switch the control panel view to large icons or small icons to make it easier to find. In the sound window, go to the playback tab. Here, you want to make sure speakers is selected as your playback device. If you see multiple options like HDMI, digital output, or different headsets, select the speaker's device you actually use. Set it as the default if it isn't already. This directs your audio output through the Steam Link properly instead of sending sound somewhere else, like a muted monitor. If there's an apply button, click it. Next, switch to the recording tab. Choose your microphone as the recording device and set it as the default. Make sure it's the mic you plan to speak into and not a different input, like a webcam mic you don't use. This routes your voice input correctly so Steam Link can pick it up. Again, click Apply if available, then close the control panel. Now open Steam and log in. In the top left corner, click the Steam menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Voice section. From the microphone drop-down, pick your preferred mic device, the same one you set in Windows so Steam knows exactly which input to use. Scroll down to the microphone test area. Speak into your microphone and watch the input level meter. You should see it move as you talk. If it doesn't, double-check that you selected the right device. If it does, but it's too quiet or too loud, adjust the input volume slider until your voice is clear and not clipping. You can also nudge output volume if your game or chat is too soft or too loud. When everything looks good, confirm your changes. That's it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.